Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. If you are running an online store, then it is very essential for you to showcase discounts and coupons to people so that you can bring in more sales. So one of my colleagues asked me that how to add coupons in WordPress, and I got this idea of creating this video. So in this video, let's understand how to create coupons in WooCommerce WordPress stores. So in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto WooCommerce and click on coupons. You can either click on add coupon or create your first coupon option. After clicking on either of them, you will see a page where various coupon related settings are available. Starting with the top, add coupon code or name over here. This is the code customers will apply at checkout. So you can make it fancy according to your brand. Then add the description about the details that this coupon offers. Now in the coupon data section, you can see that 3 tabs are available. You need to configure these tabs. So first, let's talk about the general tab. First option is the discount type. You can select any one of these 3 options. Here you can select fixed cart discount, fixed product discount or percentage discount as per your option. These names are self-explanatory as well. Now moving to the coupon amount. If you have picked one of the percentage options, the number used here will determine the percentage discount. If you pick the fixed discount, it will determine the amount in exact money. So if you have added 100, it will say $100 off or whatever your currency is. So you can set it accordingly. Now checkmark this box if you want to allow free shipping. Select the coupon expiry date from here. For example, I am selecting 15 January. This means that this coupon is valid only till 15 Jan. After that, it will be expired. Now move to another tab, usage restrictions. This is the tab where you will configure your coupon's specific requirements. In other words, how it will be activated and how it will be rejected. So you can set the minimum spend amount. For example, if you are giving $100 off, then you can set the minimum spend amount to be 500 or 600 or 700. Then you can also add a maximum spend amount here. Now checkmark this box if you don't want this coupon to apply in conjunction with other coupons. Because if someone adds 10% plus 20% plus 30% discount, then it should obviously not work, right? Now checkmark the box beside exclude sale item if you want to exclude items which are on sale. Now if you are already giving something at 50% off and then they add a $50 coupon code, let's say, or 50% coupon code, something like that, then you will be at loss. So in that case, you can use these restrictions so that these works only with certain conditions. You can select any specific products from here if you want to include only those products to give a discount on, and you can simply exclude the products as well from here. You can simply include or exclude product categories as well. The last option is to allow emails. After that, moving to the third tab, usage limits. This tab lets you restrict how many times your coupon can be used. So you can set it per customer or total uses, anything like that. So I want to restrict my coupon to the first 3 users only. That first 3 users get this discount. This creates a sense of urgency, so might be a good offer. Or you can limit it to 1 per customer. So you can set it accordingly on whatever your marketing gimmick is. Now with this tab configured, my coupon will expire after my usage limit or the specified expiry date, whichever comes first. Then click on publish button. WooCommerce makes it really easy to create coupons for your e-commerce store. Using this method, you can obviously generate and attract more customers to visit your website and increase your revenue from your potential buyers. This will also help you to generate a large email list of the people who came and purchased something at low cost initially. But now since you have their email and your pixel data, you can also retarget them. So this is how you can create coupons in WooCommerce in your WordPress website. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.